little bit. I'll just put some incisions on it. So let's season it. So this is thyme, oregano, garlic, ginger powder, chopped onion, and this one is rosemary, fresh rosemary. I'll cover it to cook for like 5 minutes. We're going to grill them. Plantain, adobo, garlic powder. I just want to put a bit of minced rosemary just to give it some aromatic. I'm putting a little bit of chili flakes. Since we don't have vegetable oil at home, I'll use sesame oil. One bowl at a time. It never finish. Oh. So I brought out some bell peppers. Anyhow you like, chop your own. This is a lot. I have my pan here. So that's it's on for 20 minutes. Maybe before 20 minutes I'll turn it. So that will chill up while I and the entire human race. There are people dying. Me cry. People came more. So I'll turn the other side. Alright. I'll give that one roughly 5 minutes. I'm done with that. I'm hungry. I want it to be fast. Who is that? My brother don't come, oh, he don't come. My brother too good, oh. The Bible jab is dairy-free ice cream. It's made from cashew nuts. But Shabi is only me you bought it for. Eh? You bought for only me? Hey, this love is too good, oh. You go see Contifa. It's buja buja ice cream and it's really nice, made from cashew nuts. Heaven and earth adore him. Angels bow before him. What a mighty God. Did you buy chicken and chips?
You want chicken and chips?
Hey, Mama, because you are here. She like food. I will not give her this talking I'm doing.
Enjoy now. She did enjoy.
Because she came down, since me and her been here, she has eaten fufu.
She said that's my fine.
Oh, chicken and she's so cheap. I want to collect bribe of chicken and chips. How much is spend £4 or £3? So what did you do now?
I don't do anything because I've not been here. Or I don't know. Best flavor.
I can't wait. I'll use it too. When I finish doing this honey glazed turkey and roasted vegetable sweet potato, I go come back. I will remove this cloth and I'll sit down and watch movie. I'm not going to give you. You gave it to me as gift, though. I don't want to hear. Let me just 1 spoon. I will not give you. I'll put a little bit of chili flakes. So you can skip this one, but I just like the flavor of this Gino pepper chicken tomato seasoning mix. So I usually put it. Just stir it in. Ketchup, a bit of it, and oyster sauce, honey. It's called honey glaze, yeah? I'm not going to put a bit of lemon to balance the taste. A bit of lemon. Still on low heat, very low heat. Hello.
Fried chicken, yeah?
She's a main thing, yo. Like cook special food for us.
No.
So who's the girl to you?
Serious now.
Wait.
Yeah, basically.
Hey! One name Fuola Makamura.
That even be. I don't know.
I know. So guys, this one is ready. Me, I'm done with this one.
It's one crazy feeling that people describe.
People,
Beyond life.
Say that people describe you, your brother experienced it. No, some
It
people
will go crazy.
the person now leaves. That's when you'll be crying. Break her heart and say, what's wrong with this one? Boy say don't do it again, you're crying and you're mad. She doesn't get us, you leave me. I was like, why is this one crying because of boy? That is married. Hey, I cry, yo. Plain yogurt doesn't have no taste. Our dinner is ready.
Turn this off.
Yeah, it's
Missing like gravy or something.
no, let me just film it. So let's have a taste, guys. My brother said he wanted gravy on it. And it's true.
Gravy.
A little bit of gravy would have been nice.
It's from like Senegal. You still didn't record?
Yes, just a bit of our enjoyment time.
Hey!
Yeah.
No, you're all pests. We've been saying no for years.
Yes, but